recently in 2006 we bought another 41 acres, which was a square 40 plus this 2 rod wide lane down to the road here. More work with Tom Mossberg and so on. So we did burns, we cut cedar trees, we cut multiple rows and so on and so forth. And then 3-4 years ago, I'm starting to think, well, I need to figure out where to go from here. And I was aware of Natural Heritage Foundation. I had their brochures about things to do with land. But as Aaron said, one day we were on a prairie walk, I think at the Molly Prairie, and I said, we need to get together sometime and talk. So then that led to meeting out here, and she grilled me on what my ideas were for where to go from here. Basically said what I wanted to. Well, along the way, I said to Tom Mossberg, I said, it's been an interesting experience for 23 years or so, but do I have something worth preserving, or is it just chalk it up to I had fun for that period of time? I said, no, it's something that should be preserved, and so talked to Aaron about what we could do, do an easement, some other thing, and gradually came to the